Hi and welcome back to my channel. So today I am showing you this amazing cutting tool. This cutting tool has been going around the crafting community, the planner community, and I got my hands on it and it's amazing. So Crafty, I had this, Crafty Products is the brand. I did get this on Amazon. It was $15. And I will show you what it is. So I don't have a cutting machine for my stickers and I fussy cut them all, which is fine. But sometimes I really want to get around like the fine details of certain stickers and it's hard with scissors. And after a while, I get tired and sometimes I just want to pull it off the sheet. But I love printables. So this is the tool. So this is the little cover and the head of it. You see, the head of it swivels. You see that? So you hold it like a pencil or a pen, and it swivels as it cuts and goes around the delicate little areas. So I'm going to stop this, readjust the camera so that you can see what I'm doing, and I'm going to cut out one of these dragonflies. I'll be right back. Okay, so I hope this is a good angle. So, let's see. Yeah, I think this is good. I think you can see what's happening here. Okay, so I want to let me move my body over so I don't move my mat. Okay, so you hold it like a pencil or a pen, and the pressure is going to be different for different sticker paper. So like sticker paper, you need to press a little bit harder. Clear, not so hard, but just keep in mind when you go around corners, you do need to press a little bit harder around corners. As I've been playing around, I've kind of noticed that. So I'm going to start here, and move my hand. So I use the sticky mat. Let me go ahead and grab that. Excuse me. I don't want to put the whole thing on the sticky mat. My paper rolled up when I did it on a sticky mat, so maybe you do half of it. Okay. All right, make sure you can still see. Okay. All right. So I guess the sticky mat does work better because you do have to press hard. Okay, here we go. So, move my hand. I hope this is enough pressure so I don't have to do this a second time. And then see, as you move it away, it pivots, and then I'm going to go around the eye and get that corner and down the mouth. I don't think I'm going to go all the way in, but I will go all the way in here. And then it pivots. How many of you are thinking of Friends right now? Pivot. What kind of emoji can we use? Is there a couch or a bed? Oh wait, it was a couch, wasn't it? Let's see. Put a butterfly emoji if you know what I'm talking about. I don't think there's a dragonfly emoji. I don't think there's a couch or mattress. Oh, ooh, got a little stuck there. Okay. And then going around the beautiful curved body. You can use this for straight too, but I find that it's just faster to use scissors. Okay. Getting there. Ooh. And then back to where I started. Okay. Moment of truth. Hope I didn't cut too hard. Oh, I did cut too hard. That's funny. Okay. Let's see. How did I do? Oh, look at that. Look at that. Come on. Oh my goodness. A little. Ooh. Oh my gosh, I'm cutting the legs off. I'm ripping the legs. No. No. Don't rip. Oh, well. She's going to lose the leg, unfortunately. Oh, a little bit of her face. Sorry. But, yeah. Look at that. You're able to get around and make all those little lines, those little swivels. I guess this is better. How pretty. So, yeah, this is the Gyro-Cut. I like it. So, I will definitely use it around the detail work. And maybe do a combination of scissors and this, just because you do have to apply a bit of pressure, and after a while your thumb will get a little tired. But yeah, so an alternative to fussy cutting everything. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, I would love a like, and I'll add it is link to the bottom in the description. It will be an affiliate link, so if you decide to check it out, I'd be grateful if you use my affiliate link. So I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you later. Bye.